Well, this is definitely not a good day. I just made a little shim and removed a hive entrance, and I was walking away and I heard a crash. And yeah, that's not good. They're not happy, and I gotta try to put it back together. And I just walked away and I heard a big old crash. It just flipped right over. There's a Ross round, went all the way down there. Okay, let's do it. Okay, ground up. Never mentioned what a pain beekeeping on a hill can be. Just looking for a queen. I do see some balling here. car won't start? Uh, there's a key to bolt in the shorts. Okay. Oh, bees on the ground. Don't want to step on those. It's going actually better than I thought. So I'll get it together here and way down here. Oh, bees on the ground. All right, so I don't know if you guys uh, caught all that, how much of if anything was worthwhile. But anyway, as you saw, I put those two brood boxes back on the slatted rack on, and it started to slide again. And I think I know why. And I'm getting a buzz right here. They are just not happy. I don't blame them, not one bit. Anyway, last winter, I had a hive that. Well, I wanted to add a slatted rag because something I read somewhere, I thought that it would help them get through the winter a little bit better right towards the end. And it was a small hive, and it wasn't making a lot of wax. I figured I will help them out. I will melt some wax and fill in the cracks. Well, you know what? I reused that box and that slatted rack this year, and I didn't really remove the wax. And on mid-70s day, my stand has enough of a slant to it that wax melted and reduced the friction of the painted wood versus painted wood, and it slid right off. And you saw when I stacked it back up there, it started to slide again. It was going to go. I'm glad I was standing where I was standing because I was able to catch it. Anyway, I saw some bees on the ground right in there. There's a cluster of them. I am going to go grab a queen clip and see what that's all about. Yeah, and we'll see if we could get those bees back in there. It may just be a bunch of nurse bees that fell out that, just hatched and haven't actually flown yet. Anyway, there's some a lot of activity. It's not good. Anyway, it's a day in the bee yard. It's a day in the bee yard. We'll see how we recover. And it looked, the queen was laying, so, I'll check it in a few days to see if there's fresh eggs after I go through that clump there to see if there's See if there's a queen in there. Alright, I'll be back. Maybe this will be a long video. Mother trucker. Yeah, lots of squish beans. Squished dead bees. I don't know if the queen was here. I think it might have just been. This is where a lot of the bees got squished. I was thinking this was a lot of nurse bees. I put the plank up there for them to get back to the hive, which I still think is a decent idea. But, yeah. This was a World War II movie. The medic would be giving these guys morphine and just to take their final moments a little more pain-free. There's some guts hanging out, but then there's some that are alive too. Big Carniolan drone. Alright, I actually see one bee making its way up the plank. Okay, I'm getting a lot of attention here. Sorry about that, girls. Yeah, damn shame. What a waste of work. Oh well. Whew.